Physics is fun. You could be testing your circuit and not getting the exact results you were looking for because electromagnetic interference is messing around with something. The fun thing is with RF circuits is that anything can act as an antenna, receiving some random signal from the ether. This obviously causes issues as it makes your circuit not behave the way you want it to.
But Jeff, that sounds decidedly not fun. How do we prevent EMI from affecting our design?
One of the ways that you can prevent EMI from affecting your design is by shielding or filtering sensitive or noisy areas of your PCB. Some areas that you would shield would be the RF circuitry or the data processing, since you don't want these to be affected by outside perturbations. Another area that could benefit from filtering or shielding is the power supply area, since that tends to be the noisiest area of your design.
So, what kind of shield are we talking about here? Like the one that green dude carries with a sword while looking for a princess? Neat!
No, it's nothing quite that neat. The shielding that looks like a masterful shield would look pretty neat. The shielding I'm referring to can take on many different forms, from physical shields to conformal sprays to special grounding techniques. The most cost-effective and easiest method for protecting against EMI is by using via fences around certain areas of your board, preventing crosstalk between those two different sections. If external EMI is more of a concern, then you may want to consider a physical metal enclosure over the various parts of your PCB. The composition of the metal depends upon the signals that you want to keep out and range from tin, aluminum, silver, nickel, or copper alloys. You can purchase pre-made cans from various vendors, or you can purchase customizable kits that can be utilized in the prototyping stage of your design. Shielding is often required for sensitive or noisy parts of your design to prevent unwanted interference. That's why incorporating shielding into your design in the beginning stages will help prevent you from having costly board respins later on. That's it for this Whiteboard Wednesday. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay grounded.